GD 26 here, just do the tips and repairs, and we got another model here. And hi guys and girls out there. And somebody wanted to see the actual coating go on the model itself, so we've got Wolfman's wagon here that we made a long time ago. We'll turn the compressor on. Hopefully we can do this without screwing up. So I'm just gonna put the clear coat on. See how it goes in. Okay, like that. I'm going to be about 4 to 6 inches away from the model. You're set to a wide radius for your airflow, for your airbrush. Okay, and you're going to turn it 360 degrees around. So you're going to put the airbrush down, and before you do that, you take a hair dryer, okay, and you go in there and you just get it nice and warm, dry up that acrylic. Okay, that's I hope I'm speaking loud enough, because it's hard to pick up on the microphone here sometimes. So then you can turn it this way without disturbing your acrylic paint. Grab your airbrush and do this side. Okay. Do your flames, do your wheels. Like so. Okay. I generally put about 4 coats on there, then hit it with the dryer. So this is the first coat. So that's how you do it. Okay, and you can find these cheap hair dryers on eBay, like $5-6. You don't want a big hair dryer, blow your model away and all the parts off your model. That's how you do it. That's my sorry about that. That's my compressor going. And you want to do about 4 coats of that. So if you have any questions or anything about that, let me know down in the comments. Please ring the little bell over here to the right. And I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.